Hello my friends, today I show you a tutorial with CapCut app for Windows and Mac. How to save your video without Watermark, CapCut for free. Step 1. Click in button Create Project. Step 2. Click in button Import. Step 3. Choose your project and click in button Import. Step 4. Click in button Add to Track. Step 5. Click in button Export. Step 6. Click in button Watermark and choice off to save your project without watermark. Video is saved success without watermark. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more.